Hey, hello again, folks, and welcome to Poolside Serenade here in the glamorous Avila Condos North in beautiful Sunny Isles Beach, Florida, 33160. Hello again, my name is Vito LaVilla. I will be your host entertainer again. Yes, a one-man cover band, and we're going to be covering doo-wops of the 20th century, some great music. But before we do, I'd just like to take a minute out and say hello and welcome back my cameraman, my erstwhile friend, Mark Feynman. Mark, as many of you know, had a little home accident, but he's okay now, and we're glad he's behind the camera. And of course, where Mark goes, you'll always find his assistant, his lovely bride. Are ready for this, folks? 50 plus years of wedded bliss. I only have two things to say to you kids. Mazel tov. How'd I do? Did I do it right with that one? Good. Okay, so let's kick off the show and how apt it is with the Dell Vikings, and come go with me. A dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum. Oh, wow. Oh, come on, folks, sing along. Let's just sing along. We're gonna do it again. Let's go. Dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum 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 be doo be dum. Oh, wow. Oh, well, the Lord love me, darling. Come and go with me. Please don't send me way beyond the seas. I need you, darling. So come go with me, yeah. Come into my heart, tell me, darling. We will never part. I need you, darling. So come go with me, yeah. Yes, I need you. Yes, I really need you. Please say you'll never leave me. Well, you say you love me. Yes, you truly love me. You never give me a chance. So come into my heart, tell me, darling. We will never part. I need you, darling. So come go with me. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. The Dell Vikings, and come go with me. Now, the Clovers, on the other hand, they have a little problem there. Maybe they could work it out. Listen. Devil or angel, I can't make up my mind which one you are. I'd like to wake up and find devil or angel, do whichever you are. I miss you. Devil or angel, please say you will be mine. Love me or leave me, I'll go out of my mind. Devil or angel, do whichever you are. I need you. You look like an angel, your smile is divine, but you keep me guessing, will you ever be mine? Devil or angel, please say you will be mine. Love me or leave me, I've made up my mind. Devil or angel, do whichever you are. I love you. The Clovers, I'm glad they put it together at the end with love. Hey, how about the Willows? They don't have any problem at all. They know exactly what's coming down. A church, a bells may ring. A church, a bells may ring. A ding, 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 dong. A church bells may ring, and surely, darling, the angels will sing. I tell you, darling, you're the queen of my throne. You should have known, sweetheart. Oh, whoa, 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 the church bells may ring, and surely, darling, those angels will sing. I tell you, darling, you're the queen of my throne. You should have known, sweetheart. A whoa, 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 a ring, a ding, a ring, ding, dong. I love you, darling, and I want you for my own. I'll give you anything that I own. You should have known. A church, a bells may ring. Church, a bells may ring, ding, ding, ding. The church bells may ring. A ring, a ding, a ding, a ding, a ding, a ding, dong. The Willows, they're cool. So, you know, some of you know that I do, when I do a show, I do a contest, a quiz thing, nothing fancy, you know, not to, you know, just have fun. And today I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna do the quiz in between the sets. So I'm gonna sing a song, very popular doo-wop song, called Dedicated to the One I Love. Now, I know who recorded that song, but I'm asking you, do you know? So I'm gonna give you a little hint, because I'm not a bad guy. Was it the Chantels? Was it the Shirelles? Or was it the Platters? You need time? Think about it, okay. In the meantime, I'll sing the song while you're thinking, all right? Okay. While I am far away from you, my baby, I know how hard it is for you, my baby, because it's hard for me, my baby, and the darkest hour is just before dawn. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell all the stars above, this is dedicated to the one I love. Now, life can never be exactly how we want it to be, and yet I feel good just knowing that you still love me. But there is one thing I would like for you to do, especially for me, and it is something that everybody needs. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, please whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell all the stars above, this is dedicated to the one I love. Chantels, Shirelles, Platters. You need a little more time? You take it. I'm gonna sing a happy song. Not that that wasn't happy. This is a fun song, and it should not be taken any other vein but happy and fun. It was recorded by the group called the Silhouettes. Every morning at breakfast, my woman, she slides to help one dance my way, and she never fails to say, get a job. Boom, sha-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na, bam, sha-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na, bam, sha-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na, bam, sha-na-na-na, sha-na-na-na. Yak, 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 boom, 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 get a job, get a job. Oh, and when I get that paper, I'll read it through and through, and my girl never fails to say, is there any work for you? And when I get back to the house, I hear the woman's mouth preaching and pride, telling me that I'm lying about a job. Oh, that I never could find. Sha-na-na-na, 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 sha-na-na-na. Yak, kick, boom, 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 boom. Get a job. Boom. The Silhouettes. That's a fun song. You need a little more. So I'm going to get into a little love and a little romance. I like that stuff. So I brought along 3 songs that I sing no matter where I go. 3 doo-wops. You may know them. I'm sure you do know them. Here's my number 3. This is recorded by the 5 Satins in the Still of the Night. Sing along, folks. Shoo-doo-doo-be-doo. 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 In the still of the night, I held you tight, 'cause I love you so. Promise I'll never let you go. In the still of the night, I remember that night in May. The stars were bright above. I'll hope and I'll pray to keep your precious love well before dawn's light. Hold you again with all of your might in the still of the night. Shoo-doo-doo-be-doo. 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 In the still of the night. The 5 Satins and in the Still of the Night. Great hit tune. My number 2 could be number 1, but number 2 could be your number 1. It was recorded by a group called the Flamingos. And folks, if you're ever on the dance floor with your main squeeze, the love of your life, pray to God that the song never comes to an end. It is so poetic. I only have eyes for you. My love must be a kind of blind love. I can't see anyone but you. Gummed up, who do you? Gummed up, who do you? Gummed up, who do you? Are the stars out tonight? I don't know if it's cloudy or bright. I only have eyes for you, dear. The moon may be high, but I can't see a thing in the sky. I only have eyes for you. I don't mind if we're in a garden or on a crowded avenue. You are dear, and so am I. Maybe millions of people go by, but they all disappear from view. And I only have eyes for you. Come up, who do you? Come up, who do you? And here's my number one, recorded in 1954 by a group called the Penguins. It's a beauty. It's my number one. Earth Angel, Earth Angel, will you be mine? My darling dear, love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. With you, Earth Angel, Earth Angel, the one I adore. Love you forever and evermore. I'm just a fool in love with you. I fell for you, and I knew your vision of your love, loveliness. I hope and I pray that someday I'll be the vision of your happiness. Oh, 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 Earth Angel, Earth Angel, please be mine, my darling dear, love you all the time. I'm just a fool in love with you. Earth Angel, Earth Angel, Earth Angel, by the Penguins, 1954. Hey, so, you know, some people are pretty lucky to have their music recorded, you know. It's a plus when somebody knocks on your door and they say, hey, listen, can I include your music in a movie? But when the movie is named after your song, like, that's a home run. Such was the case with the song 16 Candles. First came the song, then came the movie. It's still around today. You see it on cable. Molly Greenwald, I believe. Very good movie. But the song, just let me talk about the song. It was recorded by the 16 Candles, recorded by a group called the Crests. And the lead singer was Johnny Maestro. Now, the only reason I call him out is that we're here in Miami-Dade County, Florida, and Johnny Maestro, before he passed away, was right around the corner. A local guy, so I wanted to give him a little plug in memory. But he also went on to be the lead singer of the very popular rock and roll group called the Brooklyn Bridge. Johnny Maestro. Happy birthday, happy birthday, baby, oh, I love you so. 16 candles make a lovely light, but not as bright as your eyes tonight. Blow out the candle, make your wish come true, for I'll be wishing that you love me too. You're only 16, but you're my teenage queen. You're the prettiest, the loveliest girl I've ever seen. 16 candles in my heart will glow forever, ever and ever. 'Cause I love you so. Johnny Maestro and the Crests. Beautiful song. Great movie too. All right, I'm going to close out this set with what we call a crossover. So a doo-wop group had a hit song, and somebody from the rock and roll side knocked on the door and said, hey man, we dig that sound. Can we Can we do it? The title of the song is Sincerely. The name of the group is the Moonglows. Now I'm asking you as the quiz question, what rock and roll group recorded that song? And believe it or not, I think it came like 20 years later, but what do you think the name of that group was? I'm going to give you a hint. Was it the Andrews Sisters? Was it the McGuire Sisters? Or was it Diana Ross and the Supreme Soul Sisters? Think about it. Here is the Moonglows version of Sincerely. Sincerely. Oh yes, sincerely. 'Cause I love you oh so dearly. Please say yay, yay, yay. You'll be mine. Sincerely. Oh, you know how I love you. I'll do anything for you. Please say yay, yay, yay. You'll be mine. Oh, Lord. Oh, won't you tell me why I love that girlie so? She doesn't want me, though I'll never, no, I'll never, never, never let her go. Sincerely, oh yeah, sincerely, I'll do anything for you. Please say yay, 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 you'll be mine. Oh, say yay, you'll be mine. Sincerely, whoop, 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 do, woo, 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 woo. The Moonglows and Sincerely. So what do you say? Andrews Sisters, McGuire Sisters, Diana Ross, and the Supreme Soul Sisters. Anytime? We're going to come back for, actually, we're coming back for a second set. Mother Nature's calling me. I got to get out of here because I got to, you know what. So when I come back, we're going to do the second set, and we'll have a couple of quiz questions, and maybe by that time, you're good with the answers. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Don't go away. This is the second half of and second part of Poolside Serenade. We're here at the glamorous Avila Condos North in beautiful Sunny Isles Beach, Florida. And I got my man back again behind the camera, Mark Feynman and his beautiful wife assisting. But you know what, somebody told me now, I don't know, you know, this is a holiday week. For me, it's Easter Sunday, and for Mark and Jana, it's what is that holiday?
Passover.
What, Mark?
Passover.
Oh, Passover, thank you for Mark. So, what I'm told that Jana is in the kitchen cooking up some nice scrambled eggs and some lox parmesan. So we're gonna have a good time. In the meantime, let's do the second half of the show. We're gonna start the show off with a quiz. We're gonna do the videos. Now the video had a hit song called Trickle-Trickle. So a rock and roll group came over from the other side and said, hey, listen, can we do it? We dig it. So I guess it was done, and it was done. But I need to know from you what the name of that rock and roll group was. Was it the Rolling Stones? Was it the Beatles? Or was it the Manhattan Transfer? Think about it, and we'll get back. In the meantime, you know what I like about this song, Mark? Mark, I like this song because it's like hip-hop, bebop, jump jive, but basically 100% doo-wop. The videos and Trickle-Trickle. Trickle-Trickle, splash, splash. Tell me how long will this rain last? The rain keeps a-dropping, ain't no stopping. Tell me how long will this rain last? Boo-doo-doo-doo-boo-doo-doo-boo. Ronnie, dig my clothes here, boy. A one button low. Well, you know I'm sharp as a tack. Say, lend me your Cadillac. I got to go to the party. Yeah. Lend me your show. Well, if I can't take it, you know I can't make it. I don't see my baby no more. A trickle-trickle. A plop, plop, just got the check. Boom, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Oh, Ronnie, she's so sweet, so fine, and I love her so. But if I can't make it to the party, man, she's sure to blow. I got to go to the party. Lend me your show. Well, if I can't take it, you know I can't make it. I won't see my baby no more. A trickle-trickle, a splash, splash. Tell me how long will this rain last? The rain keeps a dropping, ain't no stop. Tell me how long will this rain last? Tell me how long will it last? A trickle, boom. The videos. So you think it was the Rolling Stones, the Beatles, or the Manhattan Transfer? You need a little more time? You got it. In the meantime, this next song I'm partial to because this group is from my Goomba neighborhood of downtown Jersey City, New Jersey. The name of the group is called the Duprees, and they had a lot of hit songs. And here's one of their big ones, one of my favorites. Sing along. See the pyramids along the Nile. Watch the sunrise on a tropic isle. Just remember, darling, all the while, you belong to me. See the marketplace in old Algiers. Send me photographs and souvenirs. Just remember till the dream appears. You belong to me. I'll be so alone without you. Maybe you'll be lonesome too, and blue. Fly the ocean in a silver plane. Watch the jungle when it's wet with rain. Just remember till you're home again. You belong to me. La 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 la. La 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 la. The Duprees from Jersey City, New Jersey, my hometown. Boom. All right, so you know, oftentimes I sit home and singing these songs. And say, what the heck is what is doo-wop all about? I mean, what does it mean? What does it mean? So, you know, the nail was hit right on the head by a group called Little Anthony and the Imperials, a great group. Their song "Teardrops on My Pillows." So I said, maybe that's what it's about. It's about love, wanting to fall in love, falling out of love, hate, anger, joy, happiness. You know, all of these emotions. You'll find it in this song. Very good. Little Anthony and the Imperials. I'm losing my voice because I'm coming off a cold. Sorry about that. You don't remember me, but I remember you. 'Twas not so long ago. You broke my heart in two. Tears on my pillow. Pain in my heart caused by you. If we could start anew, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd gladly take you back and tempt the hand of fate. Tears on my pillow, pain in my heart caused by you. Love is not a gadget, love is not a toy. When you find the one you love, she'll fill your heart with joy. If we could start anew, I wouldn't hesitate. I'd gladly take you back and tempt the hand of fate.